Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best mini pans for cooking that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Modern Innovations Mini Black Cast Iron Skillet Set. This is the most unique option on our list, offering a set of 4 3.5-inch cast iron skillets along with a silicone mitt. These pans are pre-seasoned for immediate use and deliver exceptional versatility. Whether you want to fry eggs, bake mini desserts like cookies or brownies, or serve appetizers, these pans are up to the task. The cast iron retains heat beautifully, ensuring even cooking and a golden finish every time. In terms of design, the heavy-duty cast iron build is nearly indestructible and free from toxic coatings like PTFE or PFOA. However, this durability comes at the cost of weight, as these pans are on the heavier side compared to the other options. The pre-seasoning provides a natural, non-stick surface that improves with each use. But it does require proper maintenance, hand washing, and consistent re-seasoning to prevent rusting and ensure longevity. While these are ideal for those looking to add rustic charm to their kitchen or serve individual portions in style, their limited size and heavier weight might not suit everyone. Additionally, they are not dishwasher safe, and cleaning requires some effort. Overall, the Modern Innovations Cast Iron Skillet Set is fantastic for special use cases like baking and entertaining. But it's not the most practical option for everyday cooking. Coming in at number 4 is the Rock Single-Serve Non-Stick Pots and Pan Set. This compact 4-piece cookware set is perfect for dorm rooms, camping trips, or small kitchens. It includes a mini fry pan, mini saucepan, stir-fry pan, and griddle, giving you a versatile range of tools for portion-controlled cooking. The standout feature here is the patented Rock Tech manufacturing process, which creates an ultra-hard, rock-like surface for exceptional non-stick performance that's up to 3 times better than standard coatings. Design-wise, this set is sleek and space-saving, making it easy to store even in the tightest kitchens. The scratch, stain, and crack-resistant surface ensures durability, and the pans are both oven and dishwasher safe, meaning cleanup is a breeze. However, these pans are not induction compatible, so keep that in mind if you own an induction cooktop. The lightweight aluminum build makes them easy to handle, but the lack of a lid for the saucepan and fry pan might be a minor drawback for some users. This set is perfect for anyone who needs a versatile cooking solution for small portions, whether it's a quick omelet or a single-serving stir-fry. However, the price point and lack of induction compatibility may make it less appealing for those seeking a more universal option. Overall, the Rock delivers on convenience and performance for specific use cases. At number 3, we have the Good Cook Everyday Non-Stick Aluminum Mini Frying Pan. This 4.6-inch pan is perfect for cooking individual eggs, single-serving omelets, or small portions of vegetables and proteins. Made with durable aluminum and a non-stick coating, it ensures even heating for professional quality results and easy food release. The ergonomic handle stays cool, offering a secure and comfortable grip during cooking. The design is simple yet effective, with a lightweight build that makes it easy to maneuver. However, it's not induction compatible and lacks oven-safe functionality, limiting its versatility compared to other pans on this list. While it's dishwasher safe for convenient cleaning, the non-stick coating requires careful handling to avoid scratches over time. At 450 degrees Fahrenheit, this pan offers one of the highest maximum temperature thresholds among the options here. This pan is a solid choice for anyone looking for an affordable, easy-to-use solution for quick meals. Its compact size and straightforward design make it ideal for beginners or those cooking for one. While it doesn't offer the premium feel of higher-end models, its performance and ease of use make it a reliable option for everyday cooking. Taking the second spot is the Bach & Swiss 2-piece mini non-stick egg pan and omelet pan set. This premium option includes a 5.5-inch pan with a marble-coated non-stick surface and a heat-resistant spatula, making it a complete package for breakfast lovers. The reinforced aluminum construction ensures even heat distribution, while the eco-friendly design prioritizes safety with non-toxic materials. One of the highlights of this set is its versatility. It's compatible with gas, electric, and ceramic stovetops, and handles temperatures up to 392 Fahrenheit. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, while the stain-resistant surface makes cleaning easier. Although hand washing is recommended to preserve the quality of the non-stick coating. The inclusion of a spatula enhances its value, although the higher price point may deter budget-conscious buyers. This set is perfect for those who value quality and convenience. Whether you're frying eggs, sautéing vegetables, or flipping pancakes, the Bakken Swiss pans deliver consistent results. The premium design and materials make it a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to step up their breakfast game. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Blue Diamond Mini Egg Frying Pan Skillet. This pan combines affordability with premium features, making it the best overall option on the list. The diamond-infused ceramic non-stick coating is 5 times harder and 10 times longer lasting than traditional coatings, providing excellent durability and performance. The pan heats 4 times faster than copper, ensuring even heat distribution and faster cooking times. The design is compact yet robust, featuring a warp control base for steady performance. Its toxin-free coating is PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium-free, making it a safe choice for health-conscious cooks. The riveted stainless steel handle offers a secure grip, and the pan is dishwasher-safe for hassle-free cleaning. It's also oven and broiler-safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, adding to its versatility. However, it's not compatible with induction stovetops, which might be a drawback for some users. For just $11.99, this pan delivers remarkable value. Its durable non-stick surface, ergonomic design, and reliable performance make it ideal for quick breakfasts and small portions. Whether you're cooking eggs, pancakes, or sautéed veggies, the Blue Diamond Mini Pan is a fantastic choice for both beginners and seasoned cooks. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.